Alright, so the theme of the day is water. Hopefully not rainwater, but waterfalls and coastal waters. It's raining. No. So this trail basically connects from Trail 27, but we are on 35 right now. It's a loop trail. So we're going to be going around back to our original position and back to the car.
So we're stopping because there's a pit stop up front. I suggest you walk to the right. Go. You want me to go first?
A little trick for those who want to hike the Azores. On the Azores tourism website, the official one, there are trails indicated, and each trail has a leaflet in color like this. What I did is I printed it out and just made a booklet, and I color coordinated the regions, so it's easy for me to know where to go and which ones are all together. Today we're doing 35, and I bring it with me on the trail. That way I see where we are at if ever we do get lost at one point. So I really recommend doing that and having it with you.
These are trail markers that you have to look for when you're hiking. If they're red and yellow, it means they're national trails. But if they're blue and yellow, they're municipal trails. So you have to look for these. Just before I said it was blue and yellow, but I want to correct myself, it's blue and red for the municipal trails.
We like hiking as a family, but we don't do it that often. We do it maybe 2-3 times a year. So this is what we look like on the trails.
Eating again.
But we're having fun.
Show where Mom is. See that? The red is pointing that way. It means that soon you're gonna have to turn that direction. If it's pointing the other way, same thing. And that X means not to go there.
We've been to many places, and hiking in western United States, Costa Rica, places like that, one thing we have to watch out for are snakes and other wild animals, bears, coyotes. But here, birds and cows are basically what we've seen. We can just walk at ease, no problem. Gotta love it. Can you go in? Yeah, brilliant.
As we walked down the trail, we were smelling something and we're trying to figure it out. It smelled really good. And when I went to pull some grass out, try to smell it, it was green onions. See? It smells like green onions, but it's like grass. So we're not totally convinced. But it really smells like it and the roots look like it. We'll look it up when we get home. Now, onward with my bamboo stick. Well, every day you have a bamboo stick.
Last hike of the day, I hope. No, it's the last hike. And we came down to this beautiful waterfall. We're happy we're done because we're exhausted. We're going up 500 meters, I believe. So.
Yay!
bathroom with a view.
On est dans une aire d'arrêt municipale, ça doit être le barbecue. Two-lane road.